Hello from the Bureau. Back with your weather update for the week. A cold front pushed through the southeast over the last few days, dropping temperatures and bringing showers and thunderstorms. Most of the rain has cleared out, with isolated showers continuing along the coastal areas of Tasmania and Victoria and about the ranges in New South Wales. For the rest of today, those showers may continue, with the westerly winds bringing rainfall to the western coast of Tasmania and southern Victoria. A high will dominate the weather from Monday, leading to clear skies and cold nights. Frost is likely in the morning through parts of eastern Victoria and New South Wales. Maximum and minimum temperatures remain a few degrees below average for May throughout the southeast. By Tuesday, this cold air will push into Queensland, with frost expected to extend into the southern interior. Below average temperatures also spread through central and eastern Australia, and a cold front will scrape the southeast, bringing showers through southern South Australia and extending further east. But it is not expected to be as strong as previous fronts. The snow level also may drop down to around 500 metres in Tasmania. On Wednesday, the next high pushes into the Bight, with temperatures rising through central and southern Western Australia, with strong northerly winds, while the dry season continues for the top end. A surge in winds could drop temperatures in the rural area near Darwin just below 20 degrees in the early morning. From Thursday, a trough deepens through inland parts of southern Queensland and northern New South Wales, which may increase shower and thunderstorm activity, while a surge of winds enhances showers up the New South Wales coast. By Friday, we start to see the next major front approaching WA, and it should bring showers and thunderstorms through the southwest over the week, with cold air pushing in behind. During the week, keep up to date with the latest forecasts, and we'll see you again next Sunday.